Welcome to Epicor Clips ERP End of Month Report Series. This presentation covers the Aged Receivable by Salesperson report. And when you see Aged Receivables, what we're usually really talking about is accounts past due. And usually management or the accounts receivable manager is going to be running this, and odds are hitting the outside salesman up to please go kindly talk to your customer about getting these past due things paid off. Usually the outside salesman at this point will be very, very indignant about being asked to do this, because salesmen tend to like to be everybody's buddy and they just want to sell the goods. And strangely enough, and rightfully so, they argue that asking for payment negatively impacts sales. Which is some diabolical logic, but it's hard to argue the point. When you're giving things away for free and the bill never comes due, yeah, you can sell more of it. But this is the real world, and you won't be in business very long if you do that. So odds are you'll be running a report like this, or somebody will, at some regular points, and you're going to be dealing with upset outside salespeople. This is a simple report to set up and run. And as you can see, it has a detail and summary version. You can run it by outside or inside salesman. As I said, typically you'd be running this on an outside. Normally you'd run a summary first to see if your normal cast of culprits are your normal cast of culprits, and then run a detail on the particular job or that specific customer to see what specific things went wrong. So here's the setup for our summary report for a 1 month period, and set at the bill to customer level, which would be typical. We're going to include credits at this point. You know, it's usually up to the credit manager's discretion as to what specifics they're going to run this on. For some strange reason, this has an option for print activity comments with source. I don't know why, but if you wanted to, I guess you can print a comment with the report. So there you are. And here's what our summary report looks like out of our hold file. It's pretty simple and easy to read, so nice and quick and easy to drill down. Now we'll go ahead and run the same report, but we're going to run it at the detail level. And now we see that it's broke things down into the individual invoices on the customer, and we can see in which column how far past due each particular invoice is, and that gives us a little bit more to work on. And that completes our presentation on the Aged Receivables by Salesperson's report. Short and sweet. Thank you for your attention, and as always, I am not Scott Zahn.